What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have some insane bikes out here, man. A ton of money in bikes. These are like pretty much top of the line leader bikes we got. If you guys didn't catch the previous video, we were with these same bikes doing a pretty crazy ride in the morning. We're heading down to the city right now, getting ready to meet up with one of the boys, the videographer's Ben. We have a ZX10rr, an M1000, an M1000, another M1000 somewhere. We have a RRR SP, the MV Agusta. That's like a $71,000 bike right there. The Gixxer 1000, the boy Dylan, Rafa, Mez, Fastlane D, True Vision. We got literally all the boys. Ave. And this is pretty much one of the final rides out here in Dallas. So, alrighty. I'm pretty sure we got like a 30-minute ride back to the city. So it's gonna be a nice little ride, that's for sure. Abe pulled up late. He missed our morning ride. Oh man, I need a fucking stretch. I should have stretched before I went. My arms are feeling it, Mr. Krabs. He's racing that ZX10, the double R. Alrighty, man. I got a late start to that one. Oh my god, that M1000's fast. Holy! He just destroyed him. It's so cool seeing that bike ripping, man. Dude, that bike is so freaking sick. I'm gonna wreck just staring at that bike. Bro! Well, if he doesn't want to race me, I'm gonna have to just forcefully race him. That was fun, bro. That was fun. Bro, that bike is so clean. Oh my gosh. my fault. I jumped him, okay? That was a jump. My bad. Oh man. They call me King Jumper. Alright, let's see if we get another run in with this air. So fast. Alright, well, we just got some food inside, about to head back downtown with the boys. I still haven't even got gas, and we're about to go for an absolute ride and a half, I think. I don't know. This guy, hope he's doing a drift in a straight line. We're gonna see if Abe on the RRR SP wants to race. See how the BMW fares against the RRR SP. He's probably closer to my same weight too, so should be a good run. It's definitely getting a lot chilly out here, man. Holy. It's cold so quick now that the summer's gone when the sun goes down. Alright, let's see if Abe wants to get a run in. To slow down so we can race. I didn't know if it kept going into a straight over that hill. He was coming up on me though. Oh my god! That SP rolls out, bro. Holy crap. Dude, it's so hard to see anything at night. Run it back! One more time! One more time! One more time! One more time. We gotta go best for 3 right here. Sneaking up on him. He's strapped up too. So literally got straps on the front end that sinks the front end of the bike down, so it makes it a lot easier to not wheelie the bike. Let's go, bro. That was fine. Bro, that SP is ridiculously fast. I'm actually having a blast tonight racing the bike. I don't really ever race this bike, nor do I ever really race bikes in general, but I used to quite a bit, so I actually am having fun. Now this bike has an exhaust on it and it's a bit faster than what it was. Maybe I need to throw some straps on this, that way when it's time to race I can strap the bike up. Anyways, we're getting closer to the gas station, so we're gonna pop in on the boy Ben, the videographer, to say what's up and go do some roller shots. That is, if these boys don't come for us. I don't know why they would. We're just commuting. Haven't broken one single traffic law tonight. A lot of stuff going on right here. Back into the city, man. Let's go. You good? Alright, let's fix it. Up to the infamous Texaco, man. It's the boy Ben. Yes, sir, bro. What's good? How are you, my guy? What's up, bro? How are you? Good. It's good to see you, bro. Good to see you too. Yes, sir. Got the new exhaust on there now. I know. I saw that. No big old fucking huge rectangular box under the bike anymore in the shots.
Actually use raw audio now.
Yes, dude. And it's
exhaust, I can't.
Yeah. No, there's nothing. Just wind noise. Yeah. Yeah, literally. I'm gonna grab some gas real quick. Dude, those were so much fun, bro. That last one?
Let's go. I was like, dude, there's straights, hold on.
that last one starting to reel you back in just a little bit. Like, were you strapped up?
For the very last
okay. That was so much fun though. This thing's so fast, bro. Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, we linked up with the boy Ben. We had some food, a pretty crazy ride. Probably gonna wrap up the video here. I appreciate all you guys tuning into the video. As always, we'll be back with tons of more Dallas content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.